Hello everyone, I'm Nhan and welcome back to HR and Legal Department video series. Today I would like to introduce about label protection equipment and uniform for technical position. Firstly, I will show you some introduction about the label protection equipment and uniform that our company providing for technical staff, technical position. And then I will show you about the classification and the norm of them. And the last part will be the step that we are distribution and handover for staff.
Okay, let's get started with the first part. To protect the safety of our technical force, company providing you the protection goods such as uniform, protection shoes, gloves, anti-drop lanyards, safety belt, raincoat, helmet, and rain boots. Move on to the second part. This part will help you to understand the classification and norms. About classification, according to our policy, the technical position will be divided into two groups. The first group is for 4 positions of direct force, FSP and mobile technical, both staff and team leader. The second group is for junior director, chief, vice chief of operation department, electoral staff, and driver staff. About norms of protection equipment, there are 6 items will be provided every year, like uniform, gloves, shoes, safety belt, and anti-drop lanyard. Otherwise, helmet, raincoat, and boots will be provided every 2 years. For first group, FSB and mobile force, company will provide you all kinds of goods above, with 3 shirts, 2 trousers, 4 pairs of gloves, 2 pairs of shoes, 1 safety belt, and every 2 years we wear 1 helmet, 1 raincoat, 2 pairs of boots over 1 team. Mobile force will be equipped anti-drop lanyard more, while group 2, the other position, will be provided less than group 1, with 2 sets of uniforms, 2 pairs of gloves, and 1 pair of shoes. The rest of today's video, HR and Legal Department will help you to have some idea about process of distribution and handover protection goods. First of all, HR and Legal Department will take the list staff in HR system, set the norm for each staff, and send to brand to check and confirm. The second step is HR and Legal Department will order the goods, follow the list staff. When the goods are nearly arrived, HR and Legal Department will send the list to brand to check and confirm one more time. After check and confirm the last list, HR and Legal Department will check the good and send to brand. And then Chief Admin of branch will hand over for staff. The purpose of this video is to help you to understand protection equipment that our company providing to protect your safety, their classification, norm, and handover process. I hope that all of you can understand and use these equipments effectively, minimize unfortunate incidents that may occur, which you complete your mission in the safest way. Thank you.